Before we start this video, let me ask you a simple question. What if I told you there is a company working quietly behind the AI revolution, and its stock still hasn't fully exploded yet? Most people miss these opportunities because they only focus on big names like Nvidia or Tesla, but by the time everyone is talking about a stock, the biggest gains are already gone. So the real question is, can you find the opportunity before the hype? In today's video, we are going to break down one such company, a company that is deeply connected to AI, growing fast, and still flying under the radar for many investors. But here's the twist. I'm not going to reveal the company name right away. You need to stay till the end, because once you understand the full picture, the name will make complete sense. Let's first understand the bigger picture. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend anymore. It is becoming the backbone of modern industries. From healthcare to finance to national security, AI is everywhere. And behind all of this, there are companies building the infrastructure, not the flashy apps, but the systems that power everything. These are the companies that often create the biggest long-term value. Now, let's talk about the company we are focusing on today. This company specializes in data analytics, AI-powered decision-making, and large-scale data integration. In simple words, it helps organizations make better decisions using massive amounts of data. Its clients include government agencies, defense departments, and large corporations. This is important because companies working with governments usually have long-term contracts and stable revenue streams. Now here's something even more interesting. This company was working on AI long before AI became a global trend. While most companies were still experimenting, this company was already building real-world systems. That gives it a huge advantage today, because now the world is finally catching up to what this company has been doing for years. Let's talk about growth. Over the past few years, this company has shown consistent revenue growth. It has expanded its services, secured major contracts, and improved its technology. More importantly, with the rise of AI, the demand for its services is increasing because companies and governments need better tools to understand data, and that's exactly what this company provides. Now think about this. Every industry is generating more data than ever before, but data alone is useless if you cannot understand it. This is where AI comes in. And this is where this company fits perfectly. It sits at the intersection of data, AI, and decision-making. Now, let's talk about competition. Yes, there are many companies in the AI space, but not all of them are the same. Some focus on consumer apps, some focus on chips, and some focus on cloud services. But this company focuses on deep data intelligence. That makes it different. It is not just riding the AI wave, it is part of the foundation. Now let's look at the future. Where is AI going next? The next phase of AI is not just automation. It is intelligent decision-making. Governments will rely on AI. Businesses will depend on predictive systems. Security systems will become smarter. And data will drive everything. This company is already positioned in that future. Now, if you have been paying attention, you probably already have an idea. But now, it's time for the reveal. The company we have been talking about is Palantir Technologies. Now let's talk about the stock. Palantir Technologies has had a very interesting journey. In the past, the stock was quite volatile. It went up, it went down, and many investors were unsure about it. But recently, things have started to change. With the rise of AI, investor interest has increased. The company's business model is becoming more relevant, and its long-term potential is getting more attention. Right? However, it's important to stay realistic. This is not a get-rich-quick stock, and this is not financial advice. But if you are someone who believes in the future of AI, understands long-term investing, and is willing to do your own research, then companies like this can be worth watching closely. Also remember, stock prices change constantly, so never rely on outdated information. Always verify. Check financial reports. Look at recent news, and understand the risks. One more important thing, most people enter a stock when it is already trending, but smart investors try to identify opportunities early, before the hype, before the headlines, before everyone else jumps in. And that is exactly what this channel is about. Stocks Alert Daily. We focus on finding opportunities early, breaking down complex ideas simply, and helping you think like a smart investor. If you found value in this video, type AI stocks in the comments and let me know which company you want me to cover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.